Dear viewers, in this lecture of Sketchup Pro, we are going to show that how we'll use our section plane tool. Okay, so suppose here a structure or model, and by using that model, I'll just show that how we'll use section tool like that. So here you are seeing that I have used two section tool here, and here another section. We have created two section, and how I have created that I'm just going to show you that. So let's start. And before starting, if you new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel, and also if you're a LinkedIn user, then you can connect me on LinkedIn from the given link. So suppose here is our structure, and I will create section on it. So to create section on it, you have to click here section plane, and from here you are able to create section in any plane. Suppose here if you need to create section, then simply at which direction you want to click. If you want to create in the green level, then left arrow, click left arrow. If you want to create section in right, the red line, then create the right arrow. And if you want to create in blue, then press the top, okay, the up arrow, so from your keyboard. And suppose first of all I want to create in a section like that axis. Okay, so I'll just simply click here, left click, and see a section have been created. A section have been created here. All right, see here a section that have been created, and the previous we have done that section are also available here. I'll just close that on, and I'll just also close that on. Double click on that section, and from here I'll just erase, I'll just erase our previous section. So here that is our remaining only one section in that direction. Now again, if I click here, we are able to draw multiple section. So here if I want to create a section here in green direction, okay, then what we'll do, actually we'll just take a section here like that, and see here we have created a section and nothing is visible to here. Again double click here, and now if we want to draw a section in that direction, then what we'll do, we'll just click that section, and here that is the red direction, otherwise click right arrow. So that is it's blocked in red direction. So here if I click here, it will create a section in right direction. In this way we are able to use that section perfectly. And if we want to see the another section, then simply double click here, again double click here, again for that double click here. So in this way we are able to use our that section perfectly. Right, so that was our today's lecture, that how we'll use our section perfectly, and how we'll change that section plane perfectly. So if you think that is helpful for you, then must stay with us and support us. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.